Hello kids, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to read lesson 4 in English, A Tree for All. Word fun, myna, sparrow, bat, crow, hanging roots, insects. Myna, sparrow, crow. These are few birds that can live in a banyan tree. Even bats can live in a banyan tree. The roots coming down from the branches of the banyan tree grow into the ground and they give support to the huge branches of the banyan tree. These type of roots are called the hanging roots. Insects like mosquitoes, houseflies, ladybirds, cockroaches can also live in a banyan tree. Circle the name of this insect. What is this insect, children? Is it a fly or a ladybird? Or a mosquito? Yes, it is a ladybird. So, circle ladybird. Now, let us read the lesson and we will also underline the new words. Are you ready? Yes. Have you ever seen a banyan tree? Underline banyan. The banyan is a very large tree. It is one of the largest trees that grow in India. Underline largest. A full-grown banyan tree can be as tall as a 3-storied building. Underline 3-storied building. It can grow only in wide, open places. So, we do not see many of them in the cities. Underline cities. A banyan tree looks like a palace standing on pillars. Underline palace, pillars. It does not have just one main trunk like other trees do. Underline trunk. It has many thick branches hanging down like trunks. Underline branches. Roots can be seen coming down from these branches. These roots are called hanging roots. Underline hanging. They grow into the ground and look like thin trunks. They support the huge branches of the banyan. Underline support. The banyan is a very useful tree. It gives shade and shelter to people and animals. Children love to swing from its hanging roots. People like to sit in its shade. Which of these is a banyan tree? Tick the correct tree. Can you see here 3 different trees, children? Yes. So, this is the tree with the hanging roots and branches, many branches. And also out of these 3, this is the largest. So, this is the banyan tree. Please tick it. A banyan tree is home to many animals. Birds, squirrels, insects and bats can live in a banyan tree. Elephants too love the huge banyan tree. It has lots of leaves for them to eat. Chirpy sparrows, cawing crows and noisy mynas are fond of the banyan tree. Underline chirpy, cawing, noisy. It gives them plenty of fruit to eat and a place to live. Underline plenty. Trees are our friends. We should not cut them or harm them. So this is the lesson and here you can see the banyan tree picture, children, with different types of birds. This is the nest of one bird with young ones in the nest and the mother feeding them. And here you can see a bat. Bats generally they hang down like this with their head towards the ground. You can see children enjoying swinging from the branches of the banyan tree. One boy he is sitting nicely in the shade and reading his favorite book. Squirrels you can see, which also can live in the banyan tree. Elephants too love the banyan tree. Yes. Now, you will have to write the new words. These are all words which we underlined in your classwork. And after that, you will have to write the question and answers which are here. We'll mark the answers also. So, let us see the first question. You will have to write these in the classwork. Why are banyan trees useful for us? Why they are useful? Because they give shade and shelter. Yes, we'll see where the answer is. So, here you have, see, Here I marked 1A, so here you can mark it as 1A. The banyan trees are very useful trees. Here it is. In the question you have banyan trees, so here we are going to make this small change here. Just strike off E is A, and here you write the banyan trees are very useful trees. Add S here, then full stop. Then instead of it, you have to write they. They and give. When they comes, you will have give. It does not give. So, in the answer you write they give shade and shelter to people and animals. So, the answer is the banyan trees are very useful trees. They give shade and shelter to people and animals. So, this will be your first answer, children. Next, second question is, why do banyan trees grow only in open places? Why, children? Because they are very large trees, right? So, where is that answer? Here. Here you can see. Instead of it, you should write the banyan tree. The banyan tree is one of the largest trees that grow in India. A full-grown banyan tree can be as tall as a 3-storied building. So, here cut this and write so, banyan trees can grow only in wide open places. So, here it, instead of it you will write the banyan tree, and instead of here it you will write so, comma, banyan trees. So, this from here to here your second answer, children. Now, let us see third question. What are hanging roots? So, for this answer is here. Roots can be seen coming down from the, cut off here SE, make it these into the. So, roots coming down from the branches of the banyan tree. Roots can be seen coming down from the branches of the banyan tree. These roots are called hanging roots. So, from here to here is your third answer. Okay. Now, fourth question. Why do elephants love this tree? So, in this page you have the answer. Elephants too love the huge banyan tree. It has lots of leaves for them to eat. So, from here to here you can mark it. Now, fifth question. You should write this in your classwork, children. Name some animals that live in the banyan tree. For this answer will be birds, squirrels, insects, and bats can live in a banyan tree. So, fifth answer is from here to here. Fifth question is from here. Okay. And here you have another fifth question. This in the textbook itself you can write their names. These animals live in the banyan tree. Write their names. So, here you will write bat, myna, crow and squirrel. In the textbook itself you can write this, but in classwork you will have to write this question only. Hope it is clear. Thank you, children. Take care.